This repair video for the P20EE error code is specifically tailored for Audi drivers. If your Audi is showing up P20EE code, this is for you. It indicates that your vehicle's selective catalytic reduction SCR system's NOx catalyst efficiency has fallen below the required threshold. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Sensor issues, DEF system issues, exhaust system issues, diesel particulate filter issues, powertrain control module issues. Here are 3 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Oxygen sensor replacement. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. Paste the exhaust leaks. If you have a leak around the comer, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area or better application. Stir the paste well to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, don't start the engine because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 2 to 24 hours, depending on the external temperature. Wrap up the exhaust leaks. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on them. Like this one, the seam will often rot a leak. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put into the water for about 40 to 50 seconds to start the activation process. Then remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple of inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times. Then squeeze it to make the resin go all through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. The P20EE code is not specific to any particular make or model of vehicle. It is a generic code that applies to diesel vehicles equipped with an SCR system such as Audi, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Ford, GMC, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.